What is up everyone, PureChaosX here with another update video number 2. On the same day that I made part 1. As we can see here, the Pico Fuses have finally arrived. I believe this is the 2.5 volt, I think. If that's going to focus. These are the 2.5 volts. This only needs 1.5. The 2.5 is for the Mega-CD 2, but these will be fine. So these finally showed up like a day or so late. Even the envelope shows first class, but never got first class. It's dispatched Monday, arrived on Thursday. So I'm gonna finally set about soldering this to that. Got my soldering iron just there, ready, and a piece of paper. So yeah, we're gonna finally get around. I'm not holding out much hope for these, because like I said, all the tests that I've done, it doesn't show that these are at fault, but I'll put it on there anyway. And this is obviously the power board. I also tried bridging this resistor here. That didn't do anything. I mean, where's the other board? There it is. I mean, all things considered, I don't know if the battery holds any charge. I shall have to test that. But other than that, I mean, the thing's clean as anything. I mean, I did give it a bit of a clean with WD-40 because I don't have any IPA. I do need to get hold of some. But yeah. I mean, all things considered, it's as clean as anything. You know, none of the capacitors are bulging, nothing's leaked or cracked. Small amount of... I mean, there's a small amount of whatever that is, but there's no sort of residue around the capacitor. So, that might be nothing. But yeah, I mean, I definitely can't see anything else around the cap. And there wasn't anything there before I cleaned it either, so presumably it's good. I hope. I don't have any multimeters or anything to test anything with, which is kind of a bummer. But yeah. But other than that, there's just nothing wrong with the boards that I can see. So I'm stumped. But there's definitely power going in. I think. I don't know. But I don't know. I might replace the resistor. And like I said, in update 1, there is a recap kit on eBay for something like £6 or something, which I might get and then recap the board. Or boards? I don't know, but yeah, I mean, none of the capacitors look like they're failing or anything, so it's quite strange. But the soldering iron is now warmed up, so get on and do that, and expect the worst, but hope for the best. So I shall be back in a few seconds. Should I do the finger click? Because that kind of worked quite well last time. Solder that. I won't. I'll just transition into it. So I'll be back in a few seconds and see if this does anything. So back in a bit. Okay. One. Oh god, why's that gone that low all of a sudden? God damn it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay. Right, we are done with the soldering. It was a bit tricky, because I'm talking into the wrong microphone. Because I finally got my Blue Yeti just sort of set up there instead of using the phone camera, the phone microphone. But I have the microphone too far away, so let's just bring it a bit further. There we go. That's a bit better. So yes, we're back. It's a bit tricky because I'm stupid, and although I do a lot of soldering, I've not yet bought myself any kind of solder sucker, wick, or flux, or anything, which I really should, because I do solder a lot. But so it was a bit tricky to get it in without. So that's the job. Like I said, I don't have any IPA, so I can't really clean it properly. And this is what happened to the old one when I tried to remove it. I don't know if these things are just weak, or if it did actually blow, or what, I don't know, but it literally just popped apart. Like that. So, alright, well, like I said, I'm not holding out much hope for this. So let's plug the ribbon cable in here. Like so. Like that. And if this doesn't work, I ask anyone, what in God's freaking name, I'll put that ferrite core thing back on in a bit. What in God's name could be wrong with this if this doesn't work? Because like I said in the previous video, 100% of every single video I've seen, well, it's been the fuse. Every single time. I can't remember one that it hasn't been the fuse. So power supply is in. The power to the extension lead is on, which you still can't see. And this will be the first time it's going to be switched on. So, like I said, I'm just not holding out much hope. So, well, my Mega Drive's not even turning on now. Aha. Why is my Mega Drive dead? Mega Drive? And then the phone fell out of its thing for no reason whatsoever. Oh, sorry about that. The phone fell out of the boom arm and then stopped recording, so never done that before. Yes, why is my Mega Drive dead? My Mega Drive is now dead. Huh. That's no good. Oh. Wait, is the power supply dead? No. Wait, what? That's weird. Okay. Well, we'll try this again then. In you get. Yeah. Very gently. Right. Second attempt. Ah! Wait, oh god, I was not expecting that. Oh, that's coming out. That's trying to come out right triumphantly there. Oh, it wants to. Wait, wait, hang on. We'll put Sonic 3 in, just for the shiggles. I wonder if I can do the cheat. Let's try it. I couldn't do it. Oh, the Switch works for this. Oh, hey, I've actually got... Oh, it was working. Oh, okay. It works fine there. But as soon as I go over here... Well, that's weird. Oh, yeah. And if I switch it back to 50... And then 60... So it is switching the music, and it is switching the aspect ratio, but it does seem to be a bit... iffy. Anyway. We're not here for that. We're here to test the Mega-CD and see if we can... Let's turn this on. Oh. The Mega-CD is not coming on. Oh my god, are you serious? Ugh. I don't know if I might have dislodged something. Excellent. I got it working for a brief moment. That is actually coming out a bit there. Alright, let's try and pop this in a bit better. I don't know how much of this you are seeing. So you pop that out. I'll pop you in there. I don't know if my head's in the way. Come on, in you get. Damn it, doesn't want to go in. There we go, okay. Tight squeeze. Okay, now we'll pop you on. Somehow, eventually. Like so. And then plug the power in. And I'll give this another go. As soon as I can actually get comfortable. You ready? No. It seems to have died again. Well, great. I see. I can't find the second resist. Oh, there it is. The second fuse. But yeah, it's died again. Ugh. Everything is in. That's in as far as it can go. Well, crap. Huh. Well, that was a very short-lived demonstration of a working Mega-CD after changing the fuse because it seems to have blown again. Well, yeah. That could be anything. Including the fact that the fuse could have blown again. And oh, there it is. Ow. Could try shorting the fuse, like I tried before, and it didn't work. Although, if the fuse keeps popping, there's obviously a reason. Yeah. It's dead again. It's dead again. I'm going to end it there, and I'm going to keep trying, so... Damn it! Thank you for watching anyway, and I'll be back in another episode. Hopefully, maybe this is working, maybe it's not. We'll see. Bye for now. That's very disappointing. So, see you in the next update, hopefully.